So hey guys, welcome to my first ever video. Today we are going to be learning how to make fluffy slime. So what you need is white glue. I'm using 125 milliliters of Elmer's school glue, shaving cream to make it all fluffy and light, and I'm using green food dye. You guys, you don't have to use food dye, but this is of course optional. Also, you guys can use any accessories or like foam balls, beads, whatever you want. And for activator, I am using borax and warm water. Okay, so let's get started. First, we're gonna grab our bowl and our mixing tool. We're gonna add in our glue. Remember, this is 125 milliliters. Ready? There we go. Okay. Once your glue is all added and emptied, now it's time to dye it. Remember, this is optional. You guys do not have to do it. I'm gonna do 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Now, take our spoon and mix it all together. Now, here's a time where you guys can add any accessories, foam balls, beads, or whatever you want right here. Now's a good time. Okay, so after it's mixed into all one color, it is time to add the shaving cream to make it all fluffy and light. I would say do a 1-to-1 ratio, so do the same amount of shaving cream to the same amount of glue. Ready? There we go. Ready? And we're gonna mix it up again. Also, if you guys want, you can add more shaving foam to make it even better. Now that it's all mixed together, it is time to activate our slime to make it way better. Okay, so our activator is 1 cup of warm water. And we're gonna add a teaspoon of borax. Ready? Here we go. There we go. There. It's about a teaspoon. Then we're gonna mix it all up until it dissolves. That should be good. Now remember, we're just gonna add a little bits at a time to our slime so it doesn't overactivate. Ready? Okay. Add a little bit. And let's mix. A little bit more. After a while, I'm gonna do this for quite a while, and then once it gets less sticky and it starts to come off the sides of the bowl, then you can start kneading it in with your hands. There we go, it's starting to grab off the sides a bit. to start to go in with my hands. Okay. If it's still kind of sticky, don't be afraid to add more activator, more slime. And add a bit more. There we go. After a while, this is an awesome slime. It's really fluffy and stretchy. And you can hear it all pop. Also air bubbles. But after a while, when you keep mixing, you have this awesome flubbery slime. It's really cool. You also can double the recipe to make even more. Thank you all guys for watching. Bye!